Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this beautiful makeup look by just using Insight Cosmetics. So many of you have been requesting me to create a makeup look by using Insight Cosmetics, so I thought of doing this festive makeup look which is very simple, easy to create and also beginner friendly. First of all, thank you so much Insight Cosmetics for sending these over, and once you open the box you can see I have a primer, a foundation, a liquid lipstick, a contour stick, a makeup fixer, an eyeliner and also a concealer palette. So let's get started, and first I'm using a very lightweight hydrating moisturizer to moisturize and hydrate my face as usual. If you are a beginner, please don't forget to use a moisturizer before going on with your makeup, and whatever products I'm using today, all of the links and details will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Now coming to the primer. Now guys, this is a silicone based primer and you need about a pea size amount and mostly focus on your T-zone area. This is gonna fill in your pores and fine lines and also gonna give you a very flawless finish. This is a really good silicone based primer. If you have oily skin, open pores, this is great for that, and also it ensures that your makeup stays on you for a longer period of time. Next I have the Pro Concealer palette, and this is more of the concealer, corrector and contour color wheel kind of thing. So basically it has multiple colors of concealer at one place and you can use it for your under eyes, you can spot correct with it. If you have just this, you don't have to carry different colors of concealers and color correctors separately. Now this is more of a full coverage product and it's so creamy and blends beautifully into the skin, and Insight products are very affordable, they are budget friendly, and if you are a beginner and looking for a good concealer, I would highly recommend this one. I just loved it. So first I color correct my face, and then I'm taking this particular shade from the same palette and I'm just highlighting my face a little bit. Wherever I feel like there is a little bit of darkness left, so I'm using this particular shade to highlight that area. So first I applied the concealer with a flat brush and then I'm blending it out with my beauty blender so that everything looks very nice and seamless and my base doesn't look cakey. And then I tried this yellow shade from this palette to brighten up my under eyes and the areas where I like to conceal my face, and oh my god, this is so creamy and I love this concealer wheel, you guys. This is a great product under 200 bucks. Then I got their ultra thin second skin longwear foundation in the shade Warm Nude 04. This is a really beautiful natural looking foundation. It doesn't look too matte on your skin, doesn't look too dewy, it's just perfect. This feels very creamy, it's buildable, it's blendable, looks very beautiful on the skin. Now I really liked the formula of this foundation, I absolutely loved it, but the only down part is it oxidized on me. Although it was one shade darker than my skin tone, but it turned a little orange, which I didn't like. Otherwise the foundation is amazing. Now as I don't have any blush from this particular brand, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix my foundation with my liquid lipstick and I'm gonna create my own DIY blush. So this is a really good hack, you guys. If you have a liquid lipstick and if you don't own any blush, you can use your liquid lipstick and mix it with your foundation, your concealer, also with your moisturizer to create your own blush. And trust me, it works great. It's even more long lasting than your normal regular blushes. Then I quickly filled in my brows, and now let's move on to the face. I have their Duo Twin-Wand Contour and Highlighter Stick. It comes with a very nice contour shade and a highlighter, and here's the swatch of it. I found the contour shade is really good for Indian skin tone. It adds that dimension and also adds some warmth to your face. It has that perfect amount of cool and warm undertone. It doesn't make your skin too ashy, and also it doesn't look too orangey or warm, so I absolutely loved it. And also this is very creamy and blendable, so overall a really good product. Next, I'm using a loose powder to set the cream products on place. Now I don't have any loose powder from Inside Cosmetics, so I'm gonna use whatever I have. And normally I don't bake my face, but today I'm doing it because I have used cream contour on my face, but I'm not gonna bake for too long. I'm just gonna apply the powder and then dust it off. Then I'm using their makeup fixer. This is gonna take away all of the powderiness, and also this is gonna set my makeup. Then I'm gonna take some highlighter from the stick on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna apply it on the highest points of my face with the help of my finger. This highlighter looks beautiful on the skin, but it has those little shimmer and glitter particles to it. If you're someone who don't really mind shimmer or glitter chunks in your highlighter, then you can go for it. Then for my eyes, I'm gonna use the liquid glitter eyeshadow. Now this is a beautiful blue eyeshadow that has that shift of green to it, and it looks beautiful on the eyes. Now this is not full opaque, so you have to apply 2 to 3 coats to get your desired pigmentation. I don't really mind because the shade itself is so beautiful, and yeah, I just loved it. Once done applying, I'm gonna blend the edges out with an eyeshadow brush. And guys, this eye look is so easy to recreate. This is the easiest festive makeup look I have ever created on my channel. Then I'm gonna take their Liner Express eye pen liner, and they say this is a matte black liner, but this is not exactly a matte black. This has a little bit of sheen to it, which I don't really mind, but it's jet black and it's so easy to use. If you are a beginner, I would highly recommend this one because this is so affordable. It retails for just 150 rupees and it works great. Then for my lipstick, I'm using their non-transfer lip color in the shade Charmed. This is such a beautiful pink that has a little bit of coral hint to it, and it looks beautiful on Indian skin tone. I loved it. Now guys, let's just be honest here. I thought that this lipstick is going to be very drying on my lips, but if you moisturize your lips really well, this is not that drying, and I was quite surprised. Now guys, don't expect it to be hydrating or moisturizing or any of that sort, but this is your normal regular liquid lipstick, you know. This is not extremely drying. That's what I was trying to say. And yeah, that's your completed makeup look. I am in love with the way my makeup has turned out. Please let me know in the comment section below if you find this video helpful, or if you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.